Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making shredded beef tacos, as you saw from the title, and I've never tried it with chuck roast before, so that's what I'm doing today, and I think it's going to be pretty good. So what you're going to need is obviously a chuck roast. This is a 2.5 pound chuck roast, so I am going to be using 2 packets of this taco seasoning mix. I'm doing the Taco Bell one. I've never tried it before. And then I have a can of diced green chilies, mild, half an onion, coarsely chopped, garlic powder, onion powder, and ground cumin. I am going to season the meat with that and sear it before it goes into the crock pot. So let's get into it. Alright, I got my onions at the bottom, and then I have my roast on top. It's nicely seared all sides. You want to do the sides as well. This is really going to add a lot of flavor and lock in those juices in the meat so it turns out really tender. So what I'm going to do now is just pour these green chilies over top, 2 seasoning packets, taco seasoning. Let this cook for 6 to 8 hours on low, and I will get back to you when it is ready to shred up and serve. So this is done. It was going for 7 hours and it just fell apart. I already shredded it and there was some extra juices. It smells really good. So it's all shredded up. It's ready to serve. I'm going to put it in some tortillas or hard shell tacos or corn tacos. I have some lime, some tomato, some cilantro, and shredded lettuce. And you can't forget the cheese. I got this thick cut ultimate nacho cheese blend, which I thought would be really good. So I'm going to get these served up and I will show you the outcome. Here's the end result, and so we have the beef, and then I also got this queso cheese. So we have the beef, queso, shredded cheese also, and then shredded lettuce, cilantro, and a lime on the side. No tomato, because this is my sister's plate and she doesn't like tomato. But I hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.